Yo guys, Jacob Ardoti here, back for another vlog, and today we're at my buddy Brandon's house and we're doing a couple of things. We have a couple of friends here and they all have their cars over and it's just a bunch of different stuff happening. So the first thing we did hit Brandon's head. So the first thing we did was took off the tint on Brandon's 350Z. It's over there now. I didn't really record it because we just got straight into it right as I got here, but he's gonna go with mirror tint all around. Right here is gonna be his new tint. It basically looks like chrome wrap, but that's gonna be his window tint. Also, we got new wheels. Not those. That FIM is nice though. Yo, yeah, he's ready. And then right here we have my friend Gio. He just picked up this Dodge Challenger RT and he's doing a subwoofer install right here. Here are the two subs that he's gonna be putting into his Challenger. They're JL Audio W0s, 212s, and they're ported, so I can't wait to hear what this sounds like. We have my boy Anthony's car, my boy Juan's daily right there, and then my car over there, and of course Brandon's daily. Right now what Gio's doing is just using his old amp and wiring. He's just rewiring it to the Challenger, but the Challenger has the battery in the trunk from his Focus ST he used to have, so it's pretty easy. The battery's like right there, and he's just wiring right here, and then the sub's gonna go right there. So Gio kind of ran into a snag with the terminal for the battery, so what we're gonna do is go to AutoZone and pick one up because the terminal that goes onto the battery from the old speakers or old speaker setup wasn't gonna work, so we have to go to AutoZone real quick, which is luckily like 2 minutes away. So now we're driving over there and we're gonna pick up a new speaker terminal.
I snagged the shirt. This other shit.
It's got half an arm, bro.
Bro, you're better off taking that bike and keeping it.
Now we have the correct fitting. This is the one that Gio bought, and we're just gonna janky crimp this thing by slamming a hammer against it on the ground. So we'll see how that works. That's it. Let's see how it works.
You just go like that.
Dang. What this is right here is the third brake light flasher for Brandon's LS, or is it the 350?
350, but it's gonna be on my
so
tails.
for that car. Oh, the tails.
So the tails are gonna flash. So when you hit the brakes, they flash 3 times.
Yeah, so it's like the motorcycle.
Yeah.
So it's gonna look pretty sick. Brandon's gonna do that real quick. Gio's still working on his trunk setup, and we were gonna work on the wheels, but
Let me change.
that's a pain. I might have a buyer, by the way, and he's also a subscriber, so that's pretty cool. So shout out to Anthony for that.
You feel me? Check out my build, bro.
Yeah, check out his S2000 right there. I'll put his Instagram down in the description below. So today there's a bunch of different stuff happening here at Brandon's garage. We haven't even gotten into my speaker rattle or my tent yet because that's going to be coming, but right now it's just a bunch of wiring. Oh, it's working.
Oh, I know this fucking song. No shit about it.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my.
Gio finished up in his trunk and it sounds freaking sick. I have a JL Audio W3. I have 210s, so I can't wait to put that in this weekend. So another video coming soon. But this thing is slapping and he's just kind of buttoning up and making sure everything's nice and tight. It's pretty crazy. Like you can feel it in your chest. I can't wait to put in mine.
Rip.
Rip, it's super solid.
Alright, I'm gonna try cutting something, so watch out.
And now we're gonna test it, see how it works. Oh,
Still doing the same thing.
still not holding it after 3. That's going over there, Gio. Oh, he's got it. So Gio doesn't totally have everything ready yet to like make a full review on it, so I'm just gonna hold off on that. But right now, since the sun's going down, I'm gonna pull my car in and start tinting my driver's side window because I have a small crease in there, so I want to fix that. And then also what I'm going to do is try to fix that door rattle on the passenger side. So should be pretty simple and hopefully I can knock it out pretty quick. While I was taking off my tint, these guys are just peeling Anthony's car.
This was an impulse decision.
Yeah, Anthony just randomly decided I'm going to peel the car, so.
No, just trying to get ready for Week Fest, you know. Just trying to get ready.
There it is.
Real nice.
Approximately 10 hours later.
What's going on, guys? There's a little gap there that you guys are probably gonna notice. Now I'm at my house and I really just wanted to knock out the tent and fix my door rattle issue. So I did that One of my friends had his friends come over and they were kind of catching up and stuff like that, so I didn't want to vlog too much. But what I did was I tinted my driver's side window, which if you guys remember my first tinting video had that little crease in it. Well, now that's completely fixed and it's all good to go. Completely perfect, and it just needs to sit outside so that way I can roll down my windows. Now the speaker rattle on this side, I'm pretty sure is fixed because in here the woofer was down here and the tweeter was up here, and now it's flipped. So now I have the woofer up here and the tweeter down here. And I think that's because of this angle and stuff. It was kind of, at certain bass notes, it was slapping the door card. So far so good. It looks like the rattle is officially gone. I might have to flip the one on my driver's side just because my OCD, I want the woofers and the tweeters to be, you know, in the same orientation. So I'll probably do that one day. It takes me like 3 minutes to pop off this door panel and it's really easy. So I might just do that whenever I'm bored. But that's gonna be it for this vlog. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up right here. So if you guys enjoyed, comment, like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time.